Welcome to another video. Today I'll be doing some banana oatmeal muffins, and I used whole wheat flour instead of white flour. Stay tuned. I will also have another video coming up with the same oatmeal banana muffins with white flour. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be baking some banana oatmeal muffin, and I will list all the ingredients in the description box down below. See the array of things that I used. I will leave the ingredients in the description box. So here I am about ready to fold in or mix in, and I'm using my hand mixer. Some sugar. I used white sugar, a little brown sugar, and eggs, and some oil, vegetable oil. And I am beating this with my hand mixer. And I also use a little lemon juice or a little lemon zest to help with the rawness of the eggs after taking out the white part, which we call the eye. So I am beating this, and this is a quick, easy go-to muffin. Could be for breakfast, brunch, lunch, whatever you choose, even supper. And I used oatmeal, and I used whole wheat flour instead of white flour. So coming up next week, I will have another video so you see the difference with the white flour and the whole wheat flour. Sometimes it's good to go healthy, so I opted to experiment and try to use the whole wheat flour, and they came out excellent. I loved it. Hence the reason for the dark color. I did not use browning, but because it's whole wheat flour, which is a little more flour that is less processed, it's not bleached like the white flour, they came out looking dark. Here I added some milk. I also used some applesauce in this because I wanted to, and it is an option that we can use if we don't want to use sugar, but I did use a little applesauce. I am now here pouring out the oatmeal, and guess what? I blended my oatmeal. You know that oatmeal has big flakes in it, so what I did was I blended this to get it in a powdery form. And then here I'm adding in my whole wheat flour. This doesn't require a lot of mixing, and I used one ripe banana in this, and my spices, which I will list in the description box, so you see everything that I used instead of adding it on the screen. The little drop box, you can just hit that box and you will see a description of everything that I use. Not a lot of ingredients. You could also use raisins. I opted to use some almond and some pecan. Yes, and this came out really good. It tasted really good. Within 15 to 20 minutes you can whip this up. It takes another 15 to 20 minutes to bake at 300 degrees. See there, I'm showing you the texture. Really good. And I'm adding a little more applesauce to it, and as I say, applesauce can be used instead of using the regular sugar. For persons who are diabetic, it's an option to use applesauce because it's not sweet, but it does give flavor. I also use little spices like almond and a little vanilla in it, which is also optional. Remember, when you're baking, you can taste your mixture to know what the finished product will taste like. Also, for the oil, you can opt to use butter. It's up to you. I didn't feel like I wanted to melt any butter, so I opted to use vegetable oil, which is already liquid. I use a little hint of salt in it, also to help to bring the flavor up, and for this I use one ripe banana. So I will leave the ingredients in the description box down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Please like the video, leave a comment, and I will definitely get back to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will definitely interact with you on it. Here I am using a muffin tin which I greased with some lard, and I am just dropping in the mixture, and then I will place additional pecans on top of them. I did not have paper to add to this, so I'm just using the regular muffin tin to bake them. One thing with muffin, you could have it for 2-3 days. You can just put it in your microwave, get it warm within 30 seconds, and you can enjoy it as if it was just done. To keep them fresh, you can also keep them in a Ziploc bag, or you can always put plastic wrap on them. Again, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and I will have another video coming up next week showing you the same banana oatmeal muffin baked with white bleach flour instead of the whole wheat flour. Here we're at the end, and this is what the finished muffin looks like. They were soft, tasted really good, and also looking scrumptious, ready to consume. There you can see I got 12 out of using 1.5 cups flour, which in the description box I will leave all the ingredients that I used. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, any further questions on this. Again, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Please make sure you like the video, please make sure you leave a comment, please make sure you share, please make sure you leave a comment also. Stay tuned and see you soon in another bonus video that I will be posting maybe Thursday or Friday, a quick salad recipe. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.